Good morning, all of you. So, just once again, we'll revise what we have been studying in last class, and then today we are going to study the next important separation technique of a solid liquid mixture is called as centrifugation. So,
Centrifugation.
what do you mean by centrifugation? What is the instrument we are using for centrifugation? That is all we'll study in detail. So now let us come to the first here. In yesterday I have been taught you this. What do you mean by this called as anybody? This is called as supply of drinking water in a city. Is it
Drinking
a
water in a city.
So now you can see in this first what will happen. So from the reservoir or from the river or from the lake, we will collect
The water will go to the pumping station.
Pumping station. So from the pumping station will be deposited or will be stored in a very big water tank.
Sedimentation tank.
As sedimentation tank. So in the sedimentation tank, what will happen? All the big particles, like big impurities, all will be settled down. With if you leave it for undisturbed, they will be all settled down. So that is called as sedimentation tank. Now, some impurities, it will take long time to settle down because of they may be having a less mass. So that is why we are passing that water into another tank called as what? Loading tank. So
loading tank where alum is added.
We'll add one chemical mixture, understand, called
to increase the mass of particles.
Yes. Alum. So this alum will go and will join with the floating particles so that the mass will become heavy. What will happen? Mass will become heavy so that we settle down at faster rate. So we are sending the loading tank and we are adding alum to increase the sedimentation rate. What is that? To increase sedimentation.
The sedimentation rate.
You should remember. So to increase sedimentation rate, we will pass it to we'll add the alum. So now here, most of the impurities will be purified, like somewhat size big in size. Now, the most smaller particles are like microorganisms like bacteria and all. They will be filtered into the another tank called as filtration tank. So now in this filtration tank, we have a 3 levels of bed that is called as one is fine sand, next one is what? Coarse sand, and next
sand
one is
and
gravel. So what it will 3 layers one where the water is filtered almost has been filtered and ready for drinking purposes, but still some minute microorganisms will be there which is causing disease causing organisms, that is, understand, they will be killed by a process called as chlorine, understand, chlorination, that by passing the chlorine gas in the chlorination tank, we will kill that microorganisms. Then from that chlorination tank, adding the chlorine is called as chlorination. What we should call chlorination, understand? Kill the germs, disease causing bacteria, and after that, after chlorination, it has been sent it to the pumping station. From the pumping station, they will be sent it to the what? Water storage tank in the particular area. From there, each house has been connected with the individual connections. That is what we should call it as what? The tap water. It is how the water is coming from river to tap. In between, how many filtrations? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 processes has been carried out. Then only it is coming from our drinking purposes. That is what it is. Even normal towns also. Nowadays, we are using this one, supply of drinking water in a given city or town. So this is all about the filtration process. Filtration of a solid impurities from the liquid solid. Means our solids are dissolved in liquids. Now, as we know, this filtration we can use for what? When undissolved solids are there. Is it yes or no? Dissolved solids we cannot be separated by
insoluble solids, sir.
Yeah, insoluble solids only we can be separated by using what? Filtration. Now, let us go for a minute particles which are not even possible to see. They are not insoluble. They are not soluble to each other, but they are a mixture. They are heterogeneous mixture only, but they are very small in size, and they are not possible to, it is not possible to like sedimentation process. We cannot make them to settle down. Even though you can keep it for 10 days also, they will be like that only. So to separate them, like for example, how many of your homes your mother is preparing lassi from the curd, like we can say majjiga in Telugu. Tamil, what we can say, ra? Lassi.
Sir, lassi only, sir.
Lassi only. So to remove that fat and all, they will remove. Have you seen it for preparing?
Sir.
For preparing ghee, our
Sir.
mother will remove the fat by rotating something inside, like a stick, like something inside that curd. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is also called as one type of natural centrifugation. What we are doing? Natural centrifugation. But
Centrifugation.
that stick we are using, which is like agitation stick. What we with our hands we are rotating the stick, but not the bowl. Is it yes or no? Bowl is not rotating, and only by rotating the stick, we people are separating this fats and all from the milk. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So because in that you can see in the milk that fats and all will never be come outside easily unless until if you'll do that process. That is also one kind of natural centrifugation. But what do you mean by centrifugation? For what techniques we'll use? That is all we'll discuss now. So observe very carefully. Centrifugation means it is a method for separating the suspended particles of a substance, from a liquid in which understand guys, in which a very minute particles, we can make them, a mixture is rotated much and much faster with a high speed in a
Sir,
centrifuge.
this process is used to separate plasma and blood, sir.
Yeah, that is how we can. So we can keep it. I will show you the centrifuge tube also. Just we will load into the tube, and if we'll keep inside the centrifuge mission. So centrifugation is done by which mission, Ra? Centrifuge mission. What is that mission called as? Centrifuge mission.
Centrifuge.
So inside the centrifuge, I will show you the mission also how it is present. So we'll keep it inside, and we will rotate it much and much faster. RPM, rotation per minute, thousands of rotations per minute if you'll do, then automatically even though the density is slightly different, that also they will be coming into the different layers. That is what we should call as centrifugation. Spinning we can say, like rotating. So this is what the mission called as centrifugation. What we should call, guys? Centrifuge. This mission is called as centrifuge.
Yes.
What is it called? Centrifuge. Centrifuge. So here the person is seeing this. This is called as centrifuge tubes. What we should call? Centrifuge tubes. Actually, me and Navya ma'am, when we are in chemical engineering, understand engineering background, we are working in lab. So many years, like around 2 years, we have been stuck in the chemistry lab because of some research work like hydrogen production. So there we have been using these centrifuge tubes, a lot of centrifuge tubes. Still in my home, I have these centrifuge tubes. Next time if I will go, I will bring you also. I will show you. So these centrifuge tubes, smaller tubes will be there. Very less smaller tubes also will be there. This is actually 100 ml centrifuge tube. You can observe here till 45 or it is 50 ml centrifuge tube. So here actually this is the picture which we are showing is only 4 tubes, but what we are using is more number of tubes are there. Now advanced centrifuges are there. This is I think old picture. So if you observe advanced picture, so like this the tubes will be there like this. So inside this columns we will fix these tubes. After fixing the mixture, understand, we will fill with mixture. We will fill with what? Mixture which we want to separate it, and we can load into these gaps. Do you understand, guys? Inside these gaps we can load it. Now one cap also will be, so that cap if you close it tightly, if you are not supposed to keep loose, if you keep loose the tubes will blast. Because why? They are made up of plastic, correct or not? And we are rotating around 5,000 rotations per minute. RPM, rotation per minute, is around 5,000 to 6,000 rotations. Then only the separation will take place. So it is very faster. So if you are not closing the lid properly, I know that so many tubes we have been wasted like that. So that is why metal tubes are coming now, because to resist it, because these plastic tubes easily will break, and it will, that liquid will spill into the mission will damage. That is why we have to operate very carefully. Operation centrifuge also highly important, majorly in milk industries. Pasteurization, you may heard pasteurization, milk, packed milk, fat milk.
Sir.
Yeah, that all they will use a very, very big centrifuges, lakhs of rupees each mission. So if you are not operating properly, that mission is going to be damaged. So I will show you the latest centrifuge. Just 1 minute, all of you. What we people are operated. So I know this, how to operate this all. So centrifuge are like latest version will be like this. This is what exactly we people operated. So while we are operating this, lid also should be closed properly. Without lid, it is not. This is what exactly we people are operated. I know that, still I remember. Have you seen it? So we will fill the tubes like this. You may be notice here, tubes are filled inside. Have you seen, Ra? This is what. So the tubes we can remove it. We can remove it and we can be filled with our mixture, what we want to separate it, and we can be closed like this. This is the picture. You can take the screenshot of this one. Internal structure of centrifuge will be like this. So we will fix in the inside these columns and we will rotate it very, 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 very much faster. You can see here, very, very big centrifuge. So that even though slight difference between the density of these particles, so high density particles will settle down, low density particles like fat in the milk, it will be coming into the top. Understand, guys? Later, slowly we people can separate it. But this lid, closing this lid while you are operating, it should be closed very, very tightly. If not, sound also will come. This mission is only called as centrifuge mission. What we should call? Centrifuge mission. Types of centrifuge missions are there, but we people are familiar. We have been operated like this mission. This is what we people are operated. We can fix even around 5,000 to 6,000 rotations. Suppose sometimes it won't be separated. Suppose I will keep 1,000 rotations, 2,000 rotations. Separation won't be possible. By that time, I will increase the number of rotations so that the spinning is much faster. Rotating much faster. 5,000 rotations per minute. Will you imagine how much it is? Very, very high. Correct or not? So at that situation only, slightly variable densities can be separated. That is what we should call as centrifugation. What we should call, guys?
Centrifugation.
Understand? Observe very carefully here. The centrifugation working in the principle of just spun, or we can say rotation. Understand? So just simply when you load it, understand, the mixture with the help of centrifuge tubes, and it will be fastly spinning, so that the different various densities of particles, based upon the density, slowly they will be settled down or coming up. So later, without undisturbed, slowly we guys need to separate it. Do you understand, guys? Now see, suppose here, have you noticed it? All the particles has been separated down. Is it yes or no? Came down. Now slowly we have to be pour this liquid above this transparent liquid. We have to pour slowly into the another container, and this one, sir, then how is it possible to separate 100%? No. When it will comes to certain level, we have to stop it. At that situation, we have to collect this fully into the another kind of container, and we have to go for electrical furnace. What is that? Electrical furnace. Where we can evaporate this liquid, means for making dry. Do you understand, guys? For making dry, we'll keep it in the electrical furnace. So after 12 hours or 24 hours, this chemical compound will be finally remaining and the moisture is removed fully from it. Is it okay, da? Yes or no? Now, if you'll observe, the picture is actually, it is the separation of plasma by centrifugation. Have you seen it? Blood, that is blood cells only. Have you seen it? Down, whatever it is present. What is that called as? That is called as
plasma, sir.
No, this is called as red blood cells and all. This is the white color liquid. What is this called as? Plasma. Understand? Major percent
Plasma,
of blood
sir.
is what? Major percent of our blood is plasma only. Yes or no? Water. So it is transparent.
Yes,
So basically, if you'll see blood, what is the color of blood? Blood is what?
color, sir.
Red color. Correct or not? Because of red blood cells. Now, Tamil Selvan is asking, sir, how much time it has been taken to separation? Now, Once, see Tamil Selvan, these automatic missions, once then it will feel that the mission itself, once there is nothing to separate, automatically the mission will stop. Or else we can set a time like 5 minutes, 10 minutes like that. Depend upon the separation. Or else suppose 5 minutes after you have been seen, still the separation has not been done properly. We can increase the time period and we can keep for it. Like that, depend upon the type of mixture we are separating, the time will be varies. Is it okay, Tamil Selvan? Understand? So here in this picture, if you'll observe, the red blood cells at the bottom and the plasma at the where? The plasma at the top. Understanding? Which has been separated by which process, Ra? By the
Centrifugation process.
Or centrifugation. So here what you are seeing, this is called as RBC. What is that? Red blood cells. And this is called as what? The transparent liquid is
Plasma.
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 That is why we can say blood is a water, Manish. Blood is a mixture. It is not a compound. It is
Plasma of
mixture. Understanding? Mixture of plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells,
red blood cells.
etc., etc. That is the reason. So that is what we should call as centrifuge, or centrifuge is the mission which we are using the centrifugation process. Understand, Laksha, Tamil Selvan, Maitreyan? Understand or not? So
Yes, sir.
in this class we are going to study the concept is called as separation by centrifugation. All of you right? Separation by centrifugation. Separation by what? Centrifugation. This is very simple phenomena which is working on based on the centrifugal force. So this rotational force only causing to separate the objects. That is what we should call as centrifugation. So now here what do you mean by this centrifugation means? Remember, it is the just remember as usually you can take a finest suspended particles in a liquid. We cannot separate it by the filtration process because it is very difficult to separate them. They will be passes through the like a small pores only. Is it yes or no? Like how the liquid is passes. Suppose I will pour the blood in the filter paper. Is it possible to separate the plasma and red blood cells separately? Anybody?
No, sir.
Because they are very, very finite particles, they are mixed together. So that is why we cannot separate it by passing the filter paper or any kind of filter. So that is why the process is very, very slow. The separation process is also, if you use any other technique, very, very slow. Suppose if I leave it for sedimentation also it will take very long time because particle size is very, very fine. Is it yes or no? Finest means very, very small. That is the reason the process is very slow. So we can separate the suspended particles of a substance in a liquid very, very rapidly, much faster rate by using a method called as, what is that method? Centrifugation. Centrifugation. So centrifugation is done by a mission called as centrifuge. That is the, so centrifugation is done by a mission called as what, Darun? A mission name called as centrifuge. Please write it. Centrifuge is a mission where we can do the centrifugation process. Actually, I used to operate, I told you that more than 2 years I have been operated this centrifuge. Very nice to operate. But if something goes damaged, they will ask us to charge 50,000, 60,000. Like that. Very cost effective also. Costly mission. Understand, Darun? Shruti? Tamil Selvan? Yeah, they left from the meeting again. I don't know what happened. Call them Laksha once. So what is the instrument we are using for centrifugation, guys? Centrifuge. Now study. What do you mean by centrifugation? All of you should remember. What is that? What do you mean by centrifugation? So observe, the centrifugation is a method of understanding for separating what? Separating the suspended particles, finest suspended particles of a substance from a liquid in which the mixture is just rotated. Rotated means what? Spinning. Do you understand, guys? Spinning at a high speed in a centrifuge. High speed in a centrifuge is only called as centrifugation. So in this centrifugation, the mixture of fine suspended particles, big particles or small particles, very, very fine
suspended
particles.
particles.
Much and much smaller. Fine suspended particles in a liquid is taken in a test tube. The test tube is only what I said called as name, Manish. Test tube name is called as. What is the name of the test tube? Centrifuge tube. What you should call? Centrifuge
Centrifuge tube.
called as centrifuge tube. Understand? So this centrifuge tube is placed in a centrifuge machine and rotated rapidly for some time. Then the mixture rounds rapidly. Suppose if you people will rotate rapidly, you will fall down. Is it yes or no? Our eyes will rotate. Yes, guys. Yes, same
sir.
thing. Here the mixture rotates around rapidly. So a force acts on the heavier suspended particles in it and brings them down to the bottom of the test tube. If it is lighter, they will come to the top, and if they're heavier, if they will go to the down. Understand? So later the clear liquid and being which is lighter remains on the top, means always less denser one will be in top, high denser one will go down. So later we can separate this whatever the suspended particles at the bottom in water very rapidly by the method of centrifugation only. Do you understand, guys? We can separate it. So very like
Yes, sir.
suppose mud water. Do you know mud water, guys?
Sir.
Mud water. Mud water, the color is also like a light
Sir.
brown color because the particles are very small, so we cannot separate them by filtration process. That is why the same water, if you use the centrifuge machine, then we can get a very transparent liquid at the top and the clay particles at the bottom. Is it yes or no? Because it is rotating by what?
Yes, sir.
Rotated very fast in a centrifuge machine, so that the clay particles settle down at the bottom of the test tube, and the clear water is what? Remains at the top. Understand?
Top of the test tube, sir.
Later, this once the clay particles and water has been separated, we can separate it by again we can separate the water and the clay particles by using the process called as decantation. What is that? Decantation.
Decantation.
What do you mean by decantation? Anybody? Let me see who will say decantation. Decantation.
Sir,
Separating
after
the
sedimentation,
uh,
we used to
after
separate by this
sedimentation,
process,
separate
sir.
the pure
After
water.
centrifugation, we are getting some solid particles and some liquid particles. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? Now,
Sir, to separate that liquid particles,
we'll take the glass rod. We'll take the glass rod. Along with the glass rod, we will pour this liquid. Is it yes or no? That is called as sediment decantation. What we should call? Decantation. Understand? Separation of understanding the sedimented solids. So actually, this is sedimented, but here we are doing what? Centrifugation. What is that? Centrifugation. Understand, Ram? Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
That is so decantation. So decantation means they have to pour this slowly into the another beaker, so that the pure liquid will be collected and the impurities will be suspended here only. So this is what understand called as centrifugation. So centrifugation after we can separate it by what? By using decantation process. What is that process? Decantation.
decantation process.
Now, centrifugation. Centrifugation, all of you right. Centrifugation is a method for, understand Darun, Maitreyan, Mavanish, right? It is a method for, separating, it is a method for separating suspended, what suspended? Fine suspended particles. What is that? Fine suspended particles. Fine suspended particles of a substance, from liquid by using what is the principle, Ra? Spinning or rotating. What is the principle of centrifugation? Spinning or rotating. Understand? From a liquid in which the mixture is, rotated at a high speed, rotated in which the mixture is rotated. Rotated. What do you mean by rotated? Spun. Understand? Understand? Spinning or spinning, we can say. Spun, rotated. It is past tense. That is why we are using spun. What is the V1 form of spun? Spinning. What is that? Spinning.
Spinning, sir. Spin.
It is rotated at a high speed in a centrifuge. At a high speed. Spun at a high speed. High speed. What is that speed? RPM. Rotations per minute. What is that? Rotations per minute speed in centrifuge. What is that? Centrifuge. Centrifuge is a mission. Okay, guys. RPM. What is the meaning of RPM, Ra? Rotations per minute.
Rotation per minute, sir.
New bikes also. We have one more like speedometer, odometer, and we have a RPM meter also. Side you can see. My bike it is having RPM, rotations per minute. You may be notice next time if you'll see. Is it okay, guys? RPM. RPM means rotations per minute. It is. Is it okay, Ra? Basically, if you go to the any kind of chemistry laboratory, I don't think so. We have in our school, so definitely it won't be there. It is little bit cost effective. Definitely, we can make 5,000 to 7,000 rotations RPM per minute, but they will ask us to keep 5,000 rotations. Less than that, it will keep the sound will come and as well as it will be damaging faster. So averagely, we can do. Understand, maximum 7,000 rotations per minute means around 5,000 to 7,000 we have to fix while you are doing the centrifugation. Is it okay, da? All of you?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the working principle of centrifuge? Anybody? Spinning. What is the working principle, Ra? Spinning is the
Spinning.
principle of working principle of what is that? Centrifugation. Understand centrifuge. So a centrifuge to separate suspended solid particles from liquid very quickly. So when the centrifuge is switched on, the test tube containing suspensions held in it swing out and spin almost very faster rate, much faster rate. They will be rotated at high speed so that the centrifugal force. What is the principle behind in this centrifuge mission? Centrifugal force. Understand that inside that rotation only, that spinning is only called as
The force exerted by this is known as centrifugal force, sir.
centrifugal force, because inside it is rotating. That is why it is called as centrifugal force. Centrifugal force, and it is acting on the center suspended particles, which will force them to settle at the bottom. If it is heavier, if it is lighter, they will come to the what? Top. Understand, Ra? Always denser particles will be at the bottom and lighter particles will be what? At the top. Do you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now, I will show you the picture of internal structure of centrifuge and as well as after and before understanding centrifugation, how the things will be present. This picture, Shruti, everybody, you have to draw in our classworks. Understand? This is the most one which will be useful for you in your future also. I think most of you are going to entering into engineering or whatever. Majorly medical side. If you'll go to the medical side, if you're entering into the anywhere like research and all, per day you have to do at least 10-20 times the centrifuge. Understand, guys? Everything we have to do the centrifuge. Understand? So this is the internal structure of centrifuge. You may observe here. So here spinning, rotation will take place. So this rotation will only called as what? It is acting in middle based upon the axis. See, one axis is fixed here. That is why this is called as the centrifugal force. From the center it is acting. That is why it is called as centrifugal force. What we should call? Centrifugal force. Understand?
Centrifugal force.
Like middle, because of this middle only, this rod, this is rotating so that everything is rotating, spinning. So that is what. So spinning of the centrifugal force is only the working principle. You can see here, the clear liquid and the suspended particles are thrown to the bottom. Have you seen it? The blue color one is called as suspended particles. Understand, Ra? And clear liquid is on top. Is it yes or no? At every centrifuge, the same thing is happening. Is it yes or no, guys? Respond me. So this is called as Internal structure of centrifuge. So now you can see before centrifuge, you can see the solid particles suspended in a liquid, finest particles, and this is the test tube. This test tube is only called as centrifuge tube. What we should call?
Centrifuge tube.
So if you are not closing the cap properly, cap should be, then the leaking will take place so that it will damage the machine. Or else sometimes the cap will break. More than 3 times we are not using the same kind of centrifuge tubes because they are made up of plastic. So at that high speed, they may be damaged. That is why nowadays most of them they are using metal centrifuge tube. But metal centrifuge tube we should not use because we are collecting same samples, different samples in the same test tube. Is it yes or no? For example, if you go chemistry laboratory in hospital, like a medical lab, you can see different urine samples, blood samples, and we are collecting so that it is same tubes. We are using same tubes. It is not good, correct or not? Because it may be spread some other diseases also. Yes or no, guys? So that is why.
Yes, sir.
Supposed to use this times more than 2-3 times because by the time itself they will be damaged almost. Understand? So that is why even I around 10 to 20 tubes I have been broken. Navya ma'am, so many tubes because she don't know how to operate well. So she has been damaged so many number of tubes like this. Later only she has been learned. So this is what the before centrifuge. Before centrifuge, see solid particles are floating inside. You can see these dots are called as solid particles and these lines are called as what is that? Liquid. So once you will keep after centrifuge, you can see all the solid particles came down and a clear liquid is at the top. Is it yes or no? Tamil Selvan? That is. So this is what called as what? What is it called, guys? Centrifuge. And
Centrifuge.
we're working with the what? Working with the rotational force. That is what? Centrifugation force. What is that? Centrifugation force. So now we can separate the cream from the milk. You can see creamed milk, uncreamed milk like that we can use to get. Correct or not? Skimmed milk or unskimmed milk and all packets you will purchase. Yes or no? So that has been done by this process only. That is called as centrifugation. What we should call it, guys? Centrifugation. So separation of cream from a milk is also done by what? Separation of cream from a milk is done by this only. So also separation of blood, everything if you take separation of cream, please write it. I will explain you. Separation of cream from whom? Cream from milk, like butter, man. Understand, guys? Butter from milk, everything we are using centrifuge only. So all the pasteurization plants of milk, they will use a big centrifuge. Anytime if you visit any kind of this milk storage, understanding on boiling and as well as pasteurization, you can see these big centrifuges. Next time you can, if you visit it, you can observe that. Understand, my friend? So now separation of this cream from milk as well as understanding separation of blood, understanding separation of plasma from RBC. It is also done with the help of Humra. Centrifuge.
Process of centrifugation.
You know, drug test. Somebody will take the unofficial drugs. Is it yes or no? In that, for them also, the blood samples, separate extraction of drugs from these blood samples, or else urine contains any kind of impurities. That is all will be separated by using which process? By using centrifugation only. Understand, guys? Centrifugation only. So we have a lot of applications of centrifugation. So now separation of cream from milk we will study. So what we will do, guys? So the meeting is going to end. Join from the meeting again. I will explain you that concept. Separation of cream from milk.